My name's Jeff, and here's the thing: we're about to go kayaking. That's right, kayaking down the side of a hill at 81st and 169. At 169, you know, it's snowy. We're gonna kayak it, and I'll probably take my shirt off in a few minutes because we've been working out.
Jeff, why would you do that?
Oh, I don't know. I just feel like it.
Oh my god.
show Jeffrey back there.
No.
I don't want to talk about it.
No, don't be a girl.
I'm not going to talk about it.
Talk to us.
Okay, fine.
I knew you would.
Today.
Oh, just a little bit of prodding, that's all.
Woo, my toes are cold.
Hang on.
Go. Here we go.
Hey, you're getting a dead battery.
Are you kidding?
It's charging.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
We're here alongside the
Hurry
highway.
up and bring it back up
There's the
here.
highway.
Alright, here we go, Jason. 1. Hit Q. 1, 2, 3. Go, baby, go! Oh, I don't think that one's going to do very good.
Oh, that's my baby right there. That's my baby. Oh, Ellie. Hey. Say what? Okay. Sounds good. All right, bye. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho.